Hey everyone, and welcome! Get ready for an awesome trip to the most electrifying spots on Earth. From the deep Amazon rainforest to the middle of Africa, we're going to uncover the secrets of nature's biggest power shows. Today, we'll check out the top 3 most charged up places on the planet and see the amazing forces that shape our world. So hold on tight and get ready to be amazed by how powerful nature really is. We're in Venezuela, where the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo. Here, we find something super special. Every single night, the sky explodes with lightning, lighting up everything with a magical glow. This is Catatumbo Lightning, a non-stop light show that has amazed people for hundreds of years. For almost half the year and for up to 10 hours each night, the storms go crazy with about 28 lightning strikes every minute. That's a lot of lightning. It makes the night sky super bright, unlike anywhere else on Earth. The Warao people, who have lived near Catatumbo for a long time, call it the River of Fire in the Sky. And it's easy to see why. The lightning storms happen so often and are so strong that they're a big part of the local environment, even affecting how plants and animals behave. But what causes this crazy electrical storm? Scientists think the special shape of the land plays a big part. Warm, wet air from the Caribbean Sea crashes into cold air coming down from the Andes Mountains, creating a perfect mix for a storm. When these air pockets collide, they create powerful winds that push moisture way up high. It turns into giant thunderclouds that make huge electrical charges. The result, an amazing light show that reminds us how powerful nature is. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela is a really beautiful place. Surrounded by rainforests and mountains, it's full of cool animals, from colorful fish to amazing birds. But this peaceful place has a secret, something that makes it different from every other lake. For centuries, Lake Maracaibo has been called the lightning capital of the world. Every night, the sky above the lake explodes with electrical storms, making the water glow. These storms happen so often and are so strong that they're a big part of the local culture, making people feel both amazed and a little scared. The lightning over Lake Maracaibo isn't just in one spot like Catatumbo. It spreads out over the whole lake, creating a light show that can last for hours. It's amazing and a little bit scary to see nature's power on display. Scientists think a few things cause all this lightning. The warm, wet air rising from the lake crashes into the cold air from the Andes Mountains, making a perfect spot for thunderstorms. There's also methane gas coming from the lake bottom and nearby oil fields. Methane can catch fire easily, and it makes the air better at conducting electricity, which makes it easier for lightning to happen. Chapter 3. The Afar Depression, where the earth breathes fire. Now we're going to the Horn of Africa, a land of hot deserts, volcanoes and ancient mysteries. Here, in the Afar Depression, one of the hottest and most active places on Earth, we can see the power of our planet's fiery core. The Afar Depression sits on a spot where 3 giant pieces of the Earth's crust are pulling apart. This creates a landscape of volcanoes, salt flats and deep canyons. The air smells like sulfur, reminding us of the powerful forces underground. Volcanoes like the huge Erta Ale shoot out rivers of hot lava. It feels like the Earth is breathing here. But the Afar Depression isn't just fire and explosions, it's also a place where life finds a way to survive. Camels, built to live in this harsh place, walk across the salt flats. Hot springs, warmed by the volcanoes, create little spots of life in this tough environment. These springs show us how strong nature is, proving that life can exist even in the hardest places. The Afar Depression is a beautiful but dangerous place, a land of fire and strength, but also a place of wonder. It reminds us of nature's power and how fragile life can be. Thanks for coming with us on this electrifying adventure. From the crazy lightning storms of Catatumbo to the fiery Afar Depression, we've seen how powerful nature is and how tough life can be. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos. Until next time, keep exploring our amazing planet.